Welcome. Having trouble with Gmail voice messages not working? It can be super frustrating when you can't hear those important voice notes from friends or colleagues. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple steps to get things back on track. Let's dive in. First things first, sometimes the easiest solution is the most effective. Simply close the Gmail app completely and then reopen it. This can often resolve minor glitches that might be preventing your voice messages from playing correctly. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can definitely cause issues with receiving and playing voice messages. Open your device's settings, usually represented by a gear icon, and click on the network icon. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular data signal. If your Wi-Fi seems spotty, try restarting your router. Now, let's move on to clearing the app cache. Over time, cached data can become corrupted and cause various problems. To clear the cache, go to your device settings and find the Gmail settings. The location may vary slightly depending on your device, but it's usually under Apps or Application Manager. Once you find Gmail, click on Clear Data and then choose Clear Cache. You'll be asked to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the step. Don't worry, this won't delete your emails or personal data. If the problem persists, it might be an issue on the sender's end. Ask the person who sent you the voice message to resend it. There could have been a problem during the initial sending process, and a fresh attempt might do the trick. Still no luck? It's time to try restarting your device. This can help clear out any temporary software conflicts that might be interfering with Gmail's functionality. Simply power down your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. After restarting, open the Gmail app again and check if the voice message is now playing correctly. If none of these steps have worked, there might be a more complex issue at play. Consider checking online forums or contacting Gmail support for further assistance. Also, keep your Gmail app updated. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. And that's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most issues with Gmail voice messages not working. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.